Hey everybody, we are going to be learning about a piece called The Carnival of the Animals today, and all you are going to need is a pen that clicks. Okay, let's get started. The person who wrote The Carnival of the Animals was named Camille Saint-Saens, and he was a French composer. Now, does anybody know what a composer is? Oh, I know! Yes, thank you for raising your hand. That is correct. A composer is a person who writes music. In each piece of The Carnival of the Animals, it's supposed to sound like how that animal would behave or walk, or even some of the sounds that they would make. Carnival of the Animals is a suite of 14 movements, and a suite is a collection of musical pieces. Lastly, it is meant to be fun like a trip to the zoo. If you listen to the whole collection of works, each one represents a different animal or fossils or an aquarium, and so you could imagine yourself even just walking right through the zoo. Next, you're going to need to know what some notes are. This is what a quarter note looks like, and a quarter note gets one beat, so you're going to click your pen one time. It's important to note that if I had another one, that my next click would just be by letting it go. Each click counts. If I had 3 in a row, like down here, I would click 3 times. If I had a quarter note rest, I would do nothing for 1 beat. So if I had this rhythm here, it would be click, rest, click. Okay? Next up are eighth notes. 2 eighth notes together still take up 1 beat, but you'll click twice. So if I see this in my music, I'll click like this. Okay? If I saw this measure in my music, I would end up clicking 6 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and. The only thing that I'm going to tell you about a dotted half rest is that if you see this, or a measure like this, that you're not going to click anything for that whole measure. These are a couple of the measures that you'll see throughout the piece. So if I look at the first one, 1, 2, and 3, and, I would click that. Or if I saw the bottom measure, 1 and 2, 3, I would click that like this. This is the entire rhythm for the song The Elephant. Okay, and so you can think about whether or not this music actually sounds like an elephant. And you're going to follow along by reading the rhythms and clicking your pen. Don't forget that the dotted half note rests, you don't play anything in those measures. I wrote some other words in here like strings or piano, and when you see those, that just means that you're playing the same rhythm as the strings here, but then over here, you're playing the same rhythm as the piano. And so you can see if you can hear that as you listen. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and here is The Elephant from Camille Saint-Saens, The Carnival of the Animals. That's it. I hope you enjoyed Carnival of the Animals. I hope everybody's doing okay, and I miss you all a bunch.